English, Tagalog, Cebuano, translation, English, good afternoon, Tagalog, magandang hapon, Cebuano, maayong hapon. Now, here are some sample phrases. Good afternoon, big sister. Tagalog. Magandang hapon po, ate. Cebuano. Mayong hapon, ate. Now, here are the explanation. Ate is a term Filipinos use to show respect to a sister older than him or her. Po is a Tagalog word that's also used to show respect to someone older than you.